Hold on. Let me see. I'm still, I didn't get up, but can you see outside? I got up and washed my face, brushed my teeth. I worked last night. I got in at 12 o'clock. But can you see this one from here? If I put you down. Hey, Louie, how are you? Let's see. That's my car. You see that maroon one right there? If you can see that middle car right there is my car. I have to go out later on. But this is what it's looking like outside here, if you can see. Good morning. Hi, how are you? Let's try this again, okay?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring.
Look how serious it is out there.
Good tidings for
outside.
Christmas and a Happy New Year.
But we are watching Mr. Louie and the neighbors trying to get his truck out, his van out. For the love of God.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding.
Just when you
bring
think.
us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some.
Oh, they pushed Mr. Louie. They pushed him out.
Tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey y'all, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I drop original content like this and when I go live, upload, and or premiere other content. Let's try this again, okay? Shalom, everyone, and God bless you. I hope that for those of you who celebrate the holiday, that it be merry, and may God bring you all the things that you've been wanting and hoping for throughout your lifetime and the rest of this year, okay? And with that being said, guys, remember to be safe, dress warm, practice social distancing, also wear your mask, avoid the injections, the vaccinations, and things of that nature. Make it about family, make it about the word of God, make it about resurrection, okay, this time of year. Make it about life, okay? Make it about Christ is the reason for the season and nothing else, all right? And with that being said, if you're in the upstate New York area and you got snowed in like I did, by all means, guys, make the best of it like we've been doing through the rest of this year, right? And also, don't forget the children. Suffer not the little children, if that's what you believe. And if you give gifts, make sure you give them the gift that keeps on living. And that is the Spirit of the Most High God, okay? That is the Word of God, you all. That is the reason for this season. And just like this little child we see right here, let us all come to God in a childlike fashion, receiving all the gifts we can this holiday season that not only make us feel good in our flesh, but also make us feel good in the spirit. Shalom, you all. Merry Christmas, Yom Kippur, and blessed Kwanzaa to those of you who celebrate and whatever you celebrate. God bless you and have a merry little day in the Lord, okay? And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and also hit that notification bell so you know when I go live, upload, and or premiere. Peace.